Hi guys, and welcome to English Cafe Class. Today's video is going to be on kitchen vocabulary. Let's get started. Today we are going to study the main things we use every day in the kitchen. Today's unit will be broken down into 4 chapters. First chapter is appliances. The second chapter is tableware and cutlery. The third chapter is utensils. And the fourth chapter is a review. Chapter 1, Appliances. What is an appliance? An appliance is a device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task. Let's look at a few. For examples. Do you recognize any of these appliances? If not, don't worry, we will learn them now. The first appliance is a sink. Repeat, a sink. An oven. Repeat, an oven. A blender. Repeat, a blender. A refrigerator. Repeat, a refrigerator. A kettle. Repeat, a kettle. A stove. Repeat, a stove. A microwave. Repeat, a microwave. And a toaster. Repeat, a toaster. Tableware cutlery. Do you recognize any of these tableware or cutlery? If not a problem. Let's get started. The first tableware or cutlery is a fork. Repeat, a fork. A knife. Repeat, a knife. A spoon. Repeat, a spoon. A plate. Repeat, a plate. A bowl. Repeat, a bowl. A mug. Repeat, a mug. A glass or a cup. Repeat, a glass or a cup. Do you recognize any of these utensils? If not a problem. Let's get started. A spatula. Repeat, a spatula. A pan. Repeat, a pan. A measuring cup. Repeat, a measuring cup. A pot. Repeat, a pot. A colander. Repeat, a colander. A chopping board. Repeat, a chopping board. Tongs. Repeat, tongs. A grater. Repeat. A grater. A whisk. Repeat. A whisk. A ladle. Repeat. A ladle. Review. Let's review appliances. Which appliance do we use to heat up bread? Take a few seconds now to think of the name of the appliance we use to heat up bread. A toaster. Okay, so this is how the review will work. I will give you 5 seconds after every question, and if you need more time, pause the screen. Which appliance do we use to wash our fruit? A sink. Repeat. A sink. Which appliance do we use to make smoothies or soups? A blender. Repeat. A blender. Which appliance do we use to keep our food cold and fresh? A refrigerator. Repeat. A refrigerator. Which appliance do we use to heat up food quickly? A microwave. Repeat. A microwave. Which appliance do we use to bake something? An oven. Repeat. An oven. Which appliance do we use to heat up water? A kettle. Repeat. A kettle. Which appliance do we use to cook food on a frying pan? A stove. Repeat. A stove. Which tableware cutlery do we use to make utensils? Which utensils do we use to mix ingredients together? A whisk. Repeat. A whisk. Which utensils do we use to grate cheese? A grater. Repeat. A grater. Which utensils do we use to cut food? A chopping board. Repeat. A chopping board. Which utensils do we use to measure liquids? A measuring cup. Repeat. A measuring cup. Which utensils do we use to cook eggs and fry other food? A frying pan. Repeat. A frying pan. Which utensils do we use to drain food? A colander. Repeat. A colander. Which utensils do we use to flip food? A spatula. Repeat. A spatula. Which utensils do we use to pick up hot food? Tongs. Repeat. Tongs. Which utensils do we use to pick up liquid food, such as soups? A ladle. Repeat. A ladle. Which utensils do we use to cook warm meals like stews and curries? A pot. Repeat. A pot. You are now a pro with kitchen vocabulary, from appliances, tableware, cutlery, and utensils. You now have expanded your vocabulary greatly. Remember, to retain these new words, you really do need to review every so often. Reviewing is how new vocabulary really becomes second nature to us. So, review, review, review. To help us continue making these videos, please subscribe to our channel below. Also, feel free to leave a like and a comment on what you would like to see on our next video. And please remember that we also do share tips and tricks on our Instagram at EnglishCafeClass. Follow us there if you'd like to learn more English phrases, idioms, grammar, vocabulary, and a lot more. Thank you and have a great day.